Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to level up fast in Township. Okay, so whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your gameplay rather, this guide I'm going to walk you through will provide you with proven strategies to level up efficiently in Township. Okay, number one, you have to prioritize helicopter orders. I don't really know how to play Township, but I'm just going to walk you through all of these things so that you know how to level up fast. Now, helicopter orders are one of the most consistent sources of experience points, that's XP, in Township. So go ahead and focus on completing orders that offer high XP and coin rewards. If an order seems too demanding or offers low rewards, don't hesitate to discard it. Remember, quality over quantity. Then maximize train deliveries. Trains not only provide essential building materials but also grant XP upon dispatch and return. So ensure your trains are always loaded and on the move. Upgrading your trains can reduce the turnaround time, allowing for more frequent deliveries and XP gains. Likewise, efficiently manage airplane shipments. So once you unlock the airport, airplane shipments become a valuable XP source. So each shipment requires 3 sets of items. Completing all sets before the plane departs maximizes your rewards. So plan ahead and stockpile necessary goods to avoid last-minute scrambles. Optimize rather factory production. Always keep your factories running. Producing goods not only prepares you for orders but also grants XP. So focus on high demand items that are frequently requested in orders. Upgrading factories can also increase production speed and efficiency. Engaging in seasonal events and co-op regattas also offers substantial XP rewards. So completing tasks and challenges during these events can significantly boost your level. Plus, it's a great way to earn exclusive items and decorations. Develop your zoo. Don't overlook the zoo. Feeding animals and completing zoo orders provide additional XP. So regularly check your zoo for tasks and ensure your animals are well fed to keep the XP flowing. Utilize mine. Mining is not just about collecting ores. Each excavation grants XP and the resources obtained can be used to fulfill orders or upgrade buildings. So equip yourself with tools like dynamites and pickaxes to make the most of your mining expeditions. Construct and upgrade buildings. Then strategically use boosters. Boosters can amplify your XP gain. So for instance, the XP booster doubles the experience points and for a limited time. So use them wisely during periods of high activity like events or mass order completions to maximize their benefits. Then continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated with Township community. Platforms like Reddit and the Township wiki are treasure troves of strategies and tips shared by seasoned players. So learning from all these experiences can provide new insights and techniques to enhance your gameplay. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.